Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Easy Craft. Hope so all my dear viewers are doing well. So guys, today I am back with another amazing and beautiful video. In this video you will see such a fantastic ideas about Christmas centerpieces. All the ideas are very helpful for your home decor in this occasion. So watch the video till end and don't forget to press bell icon for more amazing updates. Subscribe my channel also. So keep supporting me. Your support is very important for me. Thank you. Stay blessed. Stay happy. Have a nice day.